Whether item can be cross-docked, you must check this before posting a warehouse receipt. And in my example, I already created one warehouse receipt for my purchase order 106028 for item loudspeaker walnut. And as you can see here, I have a warehouse receipt on 15 pallets that I am going to receive on my warehouse. Now, in order to find if I can cross-dock inside the Business Central, I will go and select Calculate Cross-Dock function. Okay, and here I can see that I can cross-dock 2.25 pallets. So now when I have this calculated, I'm interested in to know for which outbound transactions I can do that, or in our case, it will be to find out for which sales document we are going to use cross-dock. As you can see here, we have two sales orders, 1004 and 1005. And quantity that is needed is 12 pieces and 15 pieces based on each sales order. Notice that here I have quantity to cross-dock 0, meaning that if I now confirm the cross-dock, nothing will change. So to find how much I can cross-dock and what will be the quantity, I have option to autofill quantity to cross-dock. So when I click on this, system will automatically pull information about quantities, and it will fill here quantities in quantity to cross-dock. Now, when this is okay, I can click OK, and now I'm ready to post this receipt. I'm going to do this by clicking on Home, Post Receipt, and after I post it, I will get notification that my receipt has been successfully posted and that one put away activity is created. So let's now see our put away, and for this I will navigate to Tell Me, Put Away, and I will find my warehouse put aways, and I see here my warehouse put away document. Here you can notice that I have my information about put away transactions that I'm going to use. And what I want to do and I want to explain you, I will now first bring information about my zone. Okay, I will add zone field. It's here, and I will place field zone. I will place near to the bin. And I see here that I will put 2.25 pallets on my cross-dock zone, that I will put 7 pallets on my demo zone, and that I will put 5.75 pallets on my peak zone because of some other documents. And here in the cross-dock information, I have information that this is a cross-dock items. If I want to change the unit of measure, how I'm going to put away these items on some cross-dock zone, I can do this by clicking on Functions and then Change Unit of Measure. And now I can put away this item and this line as a pieces, and this is exactly what I need. So based on my sales orders, I will need 27 items, 27 pieces to be on my cross-dock zone. And now what I'm going to do is to register put away. And my put away has been successfully registered.